Hello, our last video just gives you an overview of how pages are laid out within the content management system. Most of the page content that you see in the system relates to the exercises that the user completes. So you will need at some point, you might need to know how to change the order of these things, or to know how perhaps position a new item, or change something about the way that they're made up. So this video is just to give you an overview of how that all works. The first thing to say is that it uses a hierarchy of the pages section to contain each module within each subject. So if you like, within leadership, we have a page for the if you like, the front page, if you like, of the module leadership, and then within that there's a subject of introduction to leadership, and then within that there's a page which is the splash page. This is the page you see at the very start of the module before you've done any exercises. And if you edit one of these pages, or the splash page or one of the exercise pages, you can see further down the page, we've already looked at the access rights over on the right. Further down the page, we have a parent attribute which we can set to determine which module that page appears in. So this was previously set as Introduction to Leadership, and the order is 0, and pages are displayed in the order that we specify from lowest to highest. So exercise 1, which is reflect on an example in your business, it will have the same hierarchy, the same parent. It's given an order number 3, so it must have there must have been a page 1 and a page 2 that I previously deleted. Imagine you've got 2 people, that's order 5. So as long as the numbers keep going up, they will appear in the right order. Quick recap and further reading are added at the end of each section. So you can, by changing the relative numbering and changing the parent attribute, you can change the way pages appear within the Academy. As previously said, this isn't something that we'll do often, but the video is here as a reference in case you need to know how it works.